back to my channel. I'll tell you what we're gonna do right here. Hit like, hit share this video, thumbs up. Let's get to it, right? What we have here today is very easy. It's a traction bar from, if I can mention this company name is Jack's Penning, whatever it is. There you go. This is the brand. Sorry, man. Sometimes something racing. They're from. Oh, they're right here, Bradenton, Florida. So, what we have the bar here itself. What I noticed here, guys, is that it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts in the bottom and 2 and 3 on the top. It does come with your hardware. And let me open it up so you guys can see what it is. It does come with the hardware. It does come with all the bolts right here. It does come with the screws and everything you need. So, you know, to be honest with you, I got K-Sport and the CRX, and it makes a lot of difference. This one doesn't come with instruction, doesn't come with nothing. K-Sport, the K-Series one that I bought from K-Sport came with everything you needed to install it. This one is all by yourself. It does come with your nice chrome adapter. This is where you hold it to turn it back and forth. These right here, usually one of them goes reverse thread, the other one goes regular thread. Let's see. So it's very easy to install this. Make sure that when you guys do this, you have to take this to, this is the reverse thread. When you guys do this stuff like this, you have to take it to your nearest alignment shop. Oh man, this is like already there. Because this will take your wheel, if this is the center of the wheel, move it forward or back, how long you push this in and out. So saying that out, I want to put all this together. This one's already in place. I have to get a tool to unlock that. Let me open one more. And these are the bolts that hold these together right here. And then you can put these, whatever. These goes right here. Or these go bolt down to the sidewall, to the part with next to the radiator, on the radiator support. So when you install these real quick, guys, make sure to leave it loose. Remember the reverse thread, just leave it loose so you can pull back and forth. So when you're done there and you pull this way or you pull this way, it makes sense. I really like the design of this. So I'm putting these towards the front. Just one like that with a little line towards the front. This is going to be the rear. The thing is that it doesn't show what's going to be attached to the other end. Oh, this one can cover it. Oh, this is loose. Okay, this is pretty good. So, this is set. Again, I want to cut my video right here. We're going to clean this up. I'm going to go under the car, take up our bolts, bolt this onto it, and see where this see what these are going to be lying down on the frame. Alright guys, so this is how it goes. If I've seen it enough. Anyway, it goes here like that. It is hard to see, but the traction bar is already on. A little advice and tip on this: leave everything loose to the end. It's very easy to install. I'm doing a final tied up. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's already installed. I cannot show you underneath, but it's already installed and everything bolted down. I started at 4:30 and it's right now 5:16. So it literally took me about less than 45 minutes to put this on, tie it down, ready to roll. With the turbo, with the coupling mixed up, that pipe, it's kind of hitting here in the corner. Should be fine. I'm bolting up everything else. Now this front end is super solid. I mean, this thing is gonna rock. Guys, again, thank you for watching my video. If you like what you see, hit me up, say thank you, share this video. Guys, have a blessing day. God bless you. By the way, it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Bless you guys. Love you.